Welcome. In this new video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a one-page website like this one you are seeing right now on your screen for your business and for your personal brand. You don't need to buy a website, domain, or buy a hosting or use sophisticated stuff or even build it out yourself. Just fill some certain form and this page will be created for your business. And this page is helping a lot of businesses direct proper traffic to their audience, to their offers, for their offers. So for example, on this page there is Joshua Bar, and then there is all of these things. Amazingly, these are my links. In the future, the store section will be up where you can now advertise your products for your leads, for your audience. And then but these links will lead them to different of your offers. If I click on this link, it takes them to a page where that particular thing that I want to show them, this is, for example, this is an offer is, and then they get to interact with it. All I just need to do is copy this URL and put it directly on my bio on my social media handles, or put it on the description of my videos on YouTube and across other platforms. Anywhere they said put your website URL, I put this because it sends all of the traffic to this singular page that has everything I want people to interact with as far as my business is concerned. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this for yourself without any hassle. And to do this, to achieve this, we'll be using a platform called Serlzo. And without any further ado, just before we get into it, I want you to take close attention to this following detail. At the top right section here, you can see that the name of the user is showing here. Okay, this means that the page is fully optimized as your own. You see Joshua Mba is showing here. There's nothing like Serlzo. Then your social media links are showing here. Amazingly, guess what? The craziest part. This link right here is your referral link. So if someone wants to replicate this kind of page and clicks on it, and they build the same page for themselves, you get to get 30% commission for 12 months every time that person gets to use Serlzo. That's super crazy. So you make a lot of money all through for yourself. So let's get into it by heading straight up into Serlzo and to achieve this. So once you come into Serlzo, first of all, the first thing you need to know is that, of course, the live support is there. If you want to share the live support, is this walkthrough video. There's a walkthrough video for you to watch if you have first time on Serlzo. And then you should be able to join the Telegram channel, the community members, and interact with all of the amazing people on Serlzo. But let's close this down. Basically, we don't need all of this right now, do we? We don't. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Serlzo account with the link under the description, or just go to www.app.serlzo.com. And once you come in here, the first thing you want to do is to activate your account. Activating your account is very easy and straight to the point. Come here, choose your preferred currency. For me, I'm going to choose Nigerian Naira because I want to pay with the Nigerian Naira currency. And then I want to toggle it back to monthly. If you want to subscribe for 1 year straight up, you can just pay for 1 year straight up. And then maybe in the future you want to upgrade, you can actually upgrade from basic to pro in the future if you want to do that. But right now, I'm going to go for the monthly, toggle it down to monthly, and then I'm going to pick one of the plans. I'm going to recommend you to always go for the pro plan, or most recommended is the Serlzo plan. If you scroll down here, you see the features of each of these plans, the basic, and I mean, you could read all of that. This amazing testimonials from people who have used Serlzo. Now let's come back here. I'm going to pay for the pro plan, so I click on pay, subscribe to the pro plan, and let's see what is going to happen. Loading. And then Viola, it shows up all of this information. If you have a coupon code, if you're lucky to get a coupon code from Serlzo, then you can enter your coupon code here and then complete your payment. If you don't, you click on continue and complete your payment. Very simple, straight process. I'm going to actually pay right now for this account. Click on continue, redirect you to your payment gateway, and then you enter your details and make payment. All right, so straight up. So I'm going to enter my card details now. Once I complete my payment, I will continue sharing my screen for you. Viola, I've completed my payment. As you can see on this toast here, your payment was successful. And if you're on this page basically and you still see this activate, you basically will just log out and log in back, and everything will be refreshed for you. Okay. All right, so I'm logging in back right now, and here we go. I'm back into my account and everything is back activated. Now you could see my activity subscription payment updated. You have paid for your pro plan. And the next thing for me to do to just achieve that, there's a lot of things I can do with Serlzo. I can do my WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, bulk SMS marketing. I can create forms and connect it to my website and receive my leads. can do a lot more, but I'll just go straight to my store section. On my store section, I'll see link in bio. Okay, link in bio. Then the first thing first is for me to edit my bio. If I click on edit my bio, I have to tell people who am I. Okay, so for this account, this is a Serlzo account. So what is Serlzo? Serlzo is an all-in-one. So I'm just going to not bore you with all of these details. I'm going to type it out and then share with you guys. Now I have completed everything that I want on this section. So this is the header section where I've entered my description. I've chosen a brand color for myself, right? You can choose any theme color you want. Instagram, Twitter, all of the social media handles, and then I click on save. Then it's going to save it for me straight up to the database, and of course to give me a view of how it will look like. Okay, this is a view of how it will look like. And then I can now start adding my links. So for example, I want to click on want to combine links from Serlzo YouTube channel. Okay, so let's go to Serlzo YouTube channel, and I want people that will come to this page to be able to navigate through how to achieve a particular thing on Serlzo. So let's take, for example, people want to know how to, let's say, how to set up forms. Let's go here, click on videos. You want to learn how to use Serlzo lead forms and make more leads. Okay, let's copy this video URL, share, copy. Then I come back here, paste the URL, learn how to integrate sorry about that. Maybe it's slow with this keyboard. It's a new keyboard I'm using to type, so I'm just getting used to it. Okay, learn how to integrate Serlzo forms, okay, to your website. Then I save it. Viola saves, and then the link appears here. I can add more links, and I can add more links. I can add more links. So let's look for another video. Let's look for how to make 500 with Serlzo affiliate marketing program. Okay, so let's copy this. So you can easily direct people to. So this is going to be dynamic for you. It's going to apply to the kind of product and services you offer. Okay, copy to video link, pause this, and then I paste it here, and I save it. Viola, he adds it for me. You could see it on mobile view and web view how it will look like. So now if I click on share link, it's going to show me the link to my page. So I copy it, go to another browser tab and paste it and hit enter. Let's see. Viola, I've built myself the very first web page without having to do anything supernatural. Let's do something very tricky, right? Let's come back here. I love this brand color of Serlzo anyway, but let's just change the theme color and see what will happen. Meanwhile, I'm going to copy this color code. I don't have it off heart, so I'm going to copy it and hold on to it, and let's look for something reddish, orange. Okay, let's look for something reddish, right? Let's see how it will come out like on the website. So we've changed the color, save it. Once you save it, come back here, refresh it. Viola, your color is up there, so it will always change to the color you choose for your branding. Your theme color is always going to change. Okay, so back here again, let's select another color. The moment you change a color, it changes with you. Okay, it changes with you. I select back this color. Actually, I love Serlzo color. It's just so chill. And then I refresh, so it's back on. So this is basically how to apply this for your business and how to see it work out for your product. Simple way. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section of this video if you've done yours. Please share the link to your own Serlzo profile page or your own custom link in bio page in the comment section. Let's look at it and see how and what you guys are sharing with your audience on your own page. See you in the next video.